हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल पे। आज मैं डिस्कस करने जा रहा हूँ लीटकोड वीकली चैलेंज प्रॉब्लम 2337। इट्स अ मीडियम लेवल प्रॉब्लम. मूव pieces to obtain a string. You are given two strings, start and target, both of length, and each string consists of the characters L, R, and underline, where the characters L and R represent pieces where a piece L can be moved to left only, and if there is a blank space to its left, means that they have said that a piece L can move to left only if there is a blank space which is left to it. Okay, and if a piece R is there, then it can move only to right if there is a blank space after it. Means that they are saying that if you have been given like this, if let's consider this example. Okay, so see, if this is given to us, then only our left will move to this direction, the left direction. Okay, and if you have been given like this, then you can't move your left in the right direction, because left can only move to the previous direction. Left can only move to the left direction. So they are trying to say this through this statement. Okay, and we have to return true if the possible to obtain the string target by moving the pieces of the string start any number of times, otherwise return false. Okay, they're trying to say us that we can move, that we have to obtain whether our start could be converted to target by the following moves that are by the following constraints that are defined in the question, and if it's possible then you have to return true, else you have to return false. So let's see the first example. It has been given that underline L, underline R, underline R, underline. Okay, and we have given this. So what you can do this question, that there is a space which is given to us in the left direction of L. So L can be moved this direction. Here they have said in the first step is that only. Now you can see that there is a space which is at the right of the R. See this. There is a space which is at the right of the R, so R could move in this direction, so they have moved this. Now you can see that you can place this R to this, so R could move this, and we can say that our start is equal to target, and it will return false and it will return true. Okay, so let's see the following examples. Let's see. Now say that you have been given this, and your target is being asked is this. And can you obtain this? Then can you obtain the target from the start? No, because we know that the left can only move in the left direction, and it can only move to the left direction if there is space available, otherwise it will not move. So this case has the answer false. Okay, now let's consider another example. Okay, see, now you have been given example like here is L. Okay, and here it has been given R this. Now you can see that both the characters L and R are different, so we can't have any case which can convert the start to target, so this case will also return false. Now we have seen very much the false cases. Let's see towards the true cases, so it will be more clear to us. Now see that you have start as, and you have been asked target as, then it's possible to move in the left direction because there is a blanks available. Then so start could be converted to L, and which is equal to this, so it will return true. Okay, you are getting my approach, that we can only move L to the left if there is a blank space available. So this. Okay, now I think you have got the intuition behind the question, what they are trying to say. Now let's check out the code. In the code, we are first find what I have done. I have maintained two pointers, is and it. Is for the string start and it for the string target. Okay, and we are moving till the length, start dot length, and target dot length, and we are moving the is. We are moving till we have encountered a particular character, mean that if there is only space then we are skipping it, means that if there is space we can skip this, and if we found a character then we will encounter this and we will come out of the while loop, because here the condition is given start of I is equal to space, and if there is space then it will skip it, and the is will move to the next pointer, and if there is a character then the while loop will break and will come on in the further condition, same as we applied for the target, that if there is a space, then we will skip these spaces and we will check until we encounter a first character, and if we encounter the first character we can see that here the first character is L, and here you can see that the first character is R, and both are not equal, so they have written false. So we'll check like this, and by chance if you get that there is only space in the strings, both the strings, means that the string only contains start, only contains this, and same the target only contains this, so our is will point to the last, and is will point to the start dot length, and it will also point to the start dot length, so it will be a trivial case and it will return true because both the strings are equal. And if there is a case that I is equal to start dot length whereas it is not equal to start dot length, so there is one true condition, that one string has gone to the last, means that I am saying that here you can see. Now let's take this. If there is the case that is will point to the last string, start dot length, and it will not point to target dot length, so it will be a case and it will return false. And we have checked from these statements only, and this statement is to check whether start of I is not equal to target of it, means that you encounter the case that, let's see the case. Okay, so now it's working. Now see, the case that I am telling is that you encounter this and you encounter this. Okay, now you can see that both these characters are different. This is L and this is R, so you can't make start equal to target. So this is the case that I am trying to say. Both the characters are not equal. Both, let me write it here so it will be more clear. Both the characters are not equal. Okay, now see, if both the characters are equal then only it will proceed further, and we will iterate till our I is less than start dot length, and we'll check whether the I is less than start dot length, yes, and if the it is also target less than target dot length, then it will proceed in the loop. And if there is a case that target of it is equal to L and is less than it, means that they are trying to say that in the start we have this, and in the target we have no, I think I'm wrong here. See, start is this and target is this. Start and target. See, now you can see that you can't move your L to this direction because L can only move to the left direction, and it can only move to the left direction if there is a space available. And now you can't convert your start to target, so we have checked this case from this if statement. And next case is that, see, let me rub this. Okay, see, you have been given target and right. Okay, your R in the start is here and your target and your R in the target is here. The first R that you encounter is here and the first R in the start that you encounter is here. Then you can't move your start R into the left direction because R can only move to the right direction. So this is the case that we have compared here. And if we have find this case, then we can return false, because we can't have any way to convert the start to target, and we will iterate our is and it. And if we come out of this while loop without it returning anything, means that we have found a string, means that our start could be converted to target, then we'll return true. Thank you friends. If you like this solution useful, then you can like and share and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, it will be clear to you.